Hey guys, welcome to Michelle's Mix today. We're going to get into a Crockpot pot roast. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using today, and I hope you enjoy it. This is such a good recipe, good comfort food. I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. Okay guys, we're ready. I am ready to get started with this pot roast. We're going to use a 2-pound pot roast. I'm going to season it with a little salt and pepper. Put it in the skillet. I'll turn this up on about medium high. So before I get started, I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the pan. We're going to get this brown before we put it into the crock pot. Like I said, we're going to get some seasoned pepper. Rub that in there good. See? A little salt. Turn it over. Whoops. Alright. I'm going to put some more. Season on both sides really well. I'm also going to put a tablespoon of butter in the pan. All right, that's getting hot. I am going to start cutting up our goodies, which is the potatoes and the onions and the parsley and carrots and celery. Okay, we're gonna do that next. Oh, yep, here we go. Before I get that started, let's get this in here. So this and we're going to get this brown before we place it into the crock pot. It's on a little higher. Brown it on each side. That's going to seal that meat up. Okay, here we go. Well, that's browning just for a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and get started on these potatoes. I'm just going to cut them in half. All right. Hope everybody's starting off with a good Monday. I'm going to start this week off with some comfort food. Pot roast. Can't go wrong with pot roast. Pretty simple. Just put it in there in the crock pot and let it cook. Remember, make cooking easy for yourself. Okay. Run away. Don't run away. All right. You turn that over. A little bit more. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. I'll put these and place these back over here for a second. And I got 3 stalks of celery here. I'm gonna cut off the ends and then just use the middle portion, the meaty portion of it. All right. I don't want to put these in first. I want the meat to go on the bottom, and then I'll set all the vegetables on the top of it. So I'm just going to move this to the side, cut these all up, and get them ready to go. Cut up a bunch of parsley. Oopsie. Okay, cut these rough chop the parsley. Remember, I got me a new name on YouTube called Michelle's Mix. So check out the recipes that I put on there. I hope y'all enjoy them. All right, that one's done. I think it should be time right now just to flip that, check it one more time. Because I want it kind of brown. I don't want it a little bit more. A little bit more. I'm going to do 1 onion. Yeah, feel free to put whatever you want in your pot roast. Some people like pepper, some people don't. Parsnips, just good stuff. Anything to flavor that meat up. It'll go good on the alongside of it. All right, this should just be really. All right, I think that should be good. Oh yeah, be on that side. As we let that brown, once we put it in the crock pot, I'm going to put all the vegetables inside of the crock pot, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of garlic, some garlic salt, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and I probably will sprinkle to taste a little bit more salt and pepper inside of it. And I'm also going to use some red wine cooking. Add that in there too. Gives a little bit more flavor. Get these sides real quick. Yeah. Just the sides of that. I can see I'm doing in the side of it. All right. This is about a 2-pound chuck roast. Smells so good. I put a little butter in here. Got a nice little gravy going inside here. I'm going to pour that into the crock pot too. All right, so that's done. We put that in there. All right, turn that off. I'm going to add the onions since those are already cut. All my little red potatoes. Just spread those all the way around. They're small, so I just cut them in half, and I'm going to put them all the way around the crock pot. Mix it in with the celery. All right. Combine it with the parsley. Okay. And I got baby carrots here. They're in a bag. I'm not going to cut those. I'm going to leave them in their whole form. One moment. Since they're already in a small size, I'm going to go ahead and just leave them like that. Put those in there. And this is a, let's see, is it 1 pound bag of carrots, baby carrots. Sprinkle that all in there. All right. Now what I'm going to do now, after I put all the vegetables, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic. There's 1. There's 2. 2 tablespoons of red wine. 1, 2. I ran out of that. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1, 2. All right. Some more seasoned pepper. Give it a good little. Now that's to taste. Garlic salt to taste, whatever you want. Okay. Now I got this beef broth right here, and I'm going to pour it all the way until it covers the meat. All right. I think 1 box should do. Yeah, 1 box is going to be plenty. 1 box is going to be plenty. So here we go. 1 second. Okay, guys, and so I just wanted to clean up a little bit. I put all those ingredients in. You can actually see it. We have 1 onion, the small red potatoes, 3 stalks of celery, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We put some beef stock over it. And we added some garlic salt and some peppers, some mixed peppers. And we're gonna add this little stuff that was left over from when we were browning the meat. Just put that in there. It's like butter and just all the juices from it. And then just leave it in there and cook it. I'm gonna have some seasoning. I'm gonna keep all my seasonings out here on the side. So at the end, if I need to season it a little bit more, touch up, I can do that. But we'll see the end part in part 2. That should be the finished product. And I thank you for watching.